Have you ever noticed two things that seem to move together, almost as if one influences the other, or they are somehow linked in a predictable way? Perhaps ice cream sales and sunscreen purchases both go up in the summer, or student study hours and test scores often follow a similar pattern. These observations, where two sets of numbers appear to share a connection, are exactly what we explore when we talk about correlation. Correlation represents the statistical relationship between two or more variables, specifically indicating the extent to which they move in tandem. It tells us if, and how strongly, a change in one number is associated with a change in another number. When numbers correlate, it means they tend to increase or decrease together, or one tends to increase while the other decreases, showing a measurable link between their behaviors. The core mechanism behind understanding correlation lies in its direction and its strength. There are three main types of correlation: positive, negative, and zero. Positive correlation means that as one variable increases, the other tends to increase as well, like our example of ice cream sales and sunscreen. Negative correlation means that as one variable increases, the other tends to decrease, such as the relationship between temperature and heating bill amounts. Zero correlation suggests there is no consistent relationship or pattern between the two variables. The strength of this relationship, whether positive or negative, is measured by a correlation coefficient, a numerical value that ranges from -1 to +1. A value close to +1 indicates a strong positive correlation, while a value close to -1 signifies a strong negative correlation. A value near zero means a weak or no linear correlation. To make use of this information, you can start by simply observing patterns in data you encounter. Look for situations where two numerical measures rise and fall together, or move in opposite directions. For instance, you might notice that the number of steps you take in a day and your energy levels at the end of the day often show a positive correlation. This observation helps you understand potential relationships, but it is important to remember that correlation does not automatically mean that one variable asterisk causes asterisk the other to change. A fascinating insight is that many seemingly strong correlations are purely coincidental, a phenomenon sometimes called a spurious correlation. For example, the number of people who drown by falling into a swimming pool might strongly correlate with the number of films Nicolas Cage appeared in during the same year. This strong numerical link is entirely random and does not imply that Nicolas Cage's acting causes swimming pool accidents. Understanding the difference between correlation and causation is a crucial skill for interpreting data accurately. Correlation is a statistical connection, while causation means one event is the direct result of another. Always seek deeper explanations beyond a simple numerical link. By grasping what correlation truly represents, you gain a powerful tool for making more informed decisions and evaluating information critically. It enables you to identify potential connections between different aspects of your life, from personal habits and their outcomes to trends in business or public health data. However, knowing that correlation is merely an association, and not necessarily a cause, empowers you to ask deeper questions and avoid jumping to conclusions, fostering a more nuanced and accurate understanding of the world around you.
If you love exploring numbers, like, subscribe, and keep counting with us.